try the French Kentucky. The one up a first tastes so bad. Yeah, but it tastes bad. Chum, I really English you, but...
Yeah. No.
Chum, you take off weight, man.
Let me not tell you. You don't believe me when I talk.
Now you don't have to suffer.
I don't have to suffer. Hungry and kill me and knees. That's why I take off the weight.
So I come back and come go on like on a have it.
No, my love. No. I don't go on like me have it. Me I one of the broke foreigner of them. Oh.
I'm the nice guy. Niceville.
I just feel like Max the one, Eddie, watch him.
Now me blacks up on your camera, no so. You're fine and black like tar. Guys, I am with Tom's Lifestyle. With your niece. One drama to get here. But we're in the...
Eddie, you're too tall, man.
We don't like... Look, Cham, you need an iPhone. Look at my iPhone and look at yours.
You can buy one,
I
Hello, me need an
can't
iPhone.
afford it.
Me I want to think can buy
Send
one.
taps and roses. Taps and roses for the iPhone,
Both guys, should he buy me an iPhone or should he? Let me know in the comment section, okay?
and you message with every day every time. You're not lying.
Yes, as I was saying, me, a broke foreigner. I don't have nothing. Look how it ends. Jumpets and lose weight.
Yes, she lose weight.
No, because I don't have that young weight.
She lose weight, man.
Oh,
You lost weight, Cham.
I want to lose more. Instead of saying work, I need to buy a big line myself. But rather come with the fix yourself. Yeah?
I want to be a secret there.
You have one more on this one. You have got it?
Me have card, yes, but,
Yes, it's fit.
but you like, no. I'm not going to know. But me might go look before me left.
Another one, then
We can go work out before me left.
Look what I want to do. Look what I want. No, come. Come up faster. I make me and you go on my own. Yeah.
Sunday me have enough time because I have to wait for the train 4 o'clock.
Look here. When 4 o'clock comes Sunday, you
If we have a nice Sunday dinner for me on Sunday.
Broadway.
Guys, what is the Axtail, no?
Broadway. I want to put that in the knee.
Axtail.
Then if you are going Sunday, you stay at my yard. When you come, when
But Sunday me can come over for dinner.
you can't come to no dinner my yard. You can't
So you
come
don't come out to eat?
You can't come in my yard, come go near my way. No, go so. As you come here near, you're gone.
Well, tomorrow when you have soup.
Don't go cook that. Eh?
I ain't cooking, I'm on holidays. When Gloria come, you know, cook for her.
Tomorrow we'll come up. Oh, what is the come to you? 20 euro and you name the whole day. You can't sit down here the whole day and you if you don't want to go, but you can't come out with you. Yeah?
Now, when if the sound, then big old truck, yeah.
You can't jump it. And the first time, and the first jump it, tell me same as the summer with the easy. Yeah?
You know, the
Because
last night.
I
said, you cannot miss the
when you're in the phone, you know.
You couldn't tell me the plane come and eat. Me check the plane ticket then cheaper than the train. No, sir.
So you don't know
How me feel know so we don't have airport down here? Guys, after I missed my train, I checked the tickets for the plane. And it was so much cheaper. And it took 2 hours.
So which direction?
I feel away.
I don't know for you.
I don't know, I'm not look at the address yet. Now I got John Medson.
This is John Medson.
So I probably can't walk for here, so go with me. I go.
Yes.
Well, let me check the
But you
address.
need to know which direction, yeah.
I want my phone then, Lord Jesus.
I more feel like,
I want my phone there, Tom.
oh my God. Guys,
I want me the last phone.
are the first me ever out of my bed, out of my house, 11 hours a night here. It's a history. You never have no phone, so you know,
the
last.
phone that you have I record, I make today.
On the ear one people.
No, man,
Sam said I look for the phone. And the phone display have a record. Oh my God. Yeah.
Try the French Kentucky. The one up at Paris tastes so bad. Yeah, but it tastes bad. Cham, are really English your food?
Yeah. No. I don't name something out of this man's hand. Yeah.
You didn't believe me so they come?
No, sir. It's a guy, I don't want their mind. I want their hero. Man, make it turn over. I when him tell me say I call, first he ever tell me something I believe him.
Since the 24th, you
Look when Jumphead France came and come KFC. Why?
When we sit down, we go back to the road, if terrorists come, we get killed.
And if you don't come, you stay on front way, you get killed too. Guys,
Like, this is where the danger come from, you know. Like, gunman come, you have to know what to run.
you see what can eat off go my yard.
But the fries are just $3.
I always like them fries. I chicken me not like too dry and man.
So you can't believe some of this stuff train.
Just come in like when you say you have to come eat dinner Sunday. Before you go up on the train, that's impossible.
Sunday I think the train at 4 o'clock.
So when me, I go to France, Paris, me reach a girlfriend 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and I don't want to miss it. Guys, never normally eat this late.
A year's done, I'm not coming here, sir.
But me have to eat late tonight.
You know when I stop coming here? I did have one friend.
Story time, guys, story time.
Come on, niece. We will not tell things from my friend down there. When I reach my friend house, I said, no, my friend come to Paris, come stay with me now.
Anyway, okay, now I need a bag.
When my 7 o'clock in the morning, the place cold in a child, 7 o'clock in the morning, the man said to me, am I going to work? So I said, oh, cool. I don't understand, so me need to leave the apartment because you know I left me there. So me said, oh, you're going to work, okay. And I said, but no, you don't understand, you can't stay
I hope
here.
you might watch that video here.
No, a French man, so I'm not thinking about it. That was the last time we talked to him. And I said, oh, it's okay. I'm going to meet up with some friends. Not a friend, I want to meet up with
I could have never do somebody that.
Oh God. Not be poor. What time the man come on with you, man? 9 o'clock. Or 7 o'clock.
You can't want you go, you want you get fed up and go.
The next day, that's why the time I'm the poor guys. Now me have a vex money.
I want my friend have him get vex money. Friend have him dirty money, see my treat with the KFC, yeah. Get vex money, dirty money.
Poverty is a curse.
Poverty a crime.
What's the problem? I want a friend you have to
You know when we can't understand them not serve drinks with straw.
So I mean, the people don't say you have to save the planet.
All of you guys who never come to Nice yet, welcome to Nice.